What's up, everyone? Today we are going to take a look at the new area of Newell, the village of Newell. This is just east of Citrus Grove, right along Megason Road. This is actually Megason Road that we're flying over now. And there's quite a bit going on over here. They're getting all the roads ready, all the areas prepped. DeLuna is almost finished up. There's a few homes left for them to polish off over there. But I would assume this will be the next area that they're coming to, considering all the progress that they've made over here. And I did get out to DeLuna and do some video of that. I also got out to Richmond, so you'll be able to see that coming up. It won't be in today's video, but it'll be out later this week. This is facing toward the north. This area of Newell runs right along the north side of the turnpike, and it's to the east of St. Catherine, Citrus Grove, and that whole area over there, right along Megason. Megason will run all the way up close to 470 or Central Parkway. I don't know if it's still named Central Parkway, going across the turnpike north where this area will be, and you can see where 470 crosses the turnpike right there, actually, off into the distance, the top right. A lot of the piping's being put into place. This area is getting closer already. It looks like they've paved Megason all the way through and up to that 470 area. This area is going to have the Franklin Rec Center, the Jubilee Putting Course, and the Mickey Lee Pitch and Putt, which you can see some of that here in the top right of the screen. There will be more villages areas on the southern side of the turnpike, on the opposite side of the road here. And actually this area is not too close or not too far away from where the Southern Oaks Bridge is going to be. And the Southern Oaks Bridge goes over the turnpike. Multimodal, meaning cars and golf carts, which will go over the turnpike into the southern side. Now we're facing the south here. You see the turnpike. The turnpike kind of runs north, west to southeast at this area. That's why everybody refers to it going east and west. And as we turn toward the west, you can see Citrus Grove, nice looking golden hour where the sun is about to start setting. They do have this little swampy area right in the middle, and I'm sure that'll be one of their nature preserves where they have the sidewalks that go around and things like that. Just south of this area, that's where they're supposedly building the hospital, which they're looking to make it like one of the best hospitals in the nation. A hospital where they will have many people come to train, as well as similar to like a Shands hospital in Gainesville. They want it to be a destination for some of the world's top doctors, which, I mean, you can't blame them. You can see a lot of the walls getting put up for the different neighborhoods and how they're separating those off. And I would assume you're going to see some foundations in here within the next month or two. You'll see some foundations and then some houses start to go up. Richmond, as you'll see later this week, the growth is exponential there. It's getting... I don't want to say they're halfway into building the homes, but that's kind of what it seemed like to me when I was over there. This area to me is not as desirable as some of the other new ones that they've built, only because it's extremely landlocked, I would say. And what I mean by that is it takes a while to get down into Newell here, and until they open up that other side where 470 is, I don't think there's gonna as easy of access to everything. So Brownwood is a ways away. Any of the squares other than the Zell Rec Center where they have that outdoor stage, all that stuff is quite a ways away from this, other than Azell, obviously. I'd say Brownwood's probably a solid 10 to 15 minute ride in the car. And unless they put some good stuff in soon down in this area, I don't know that this area is as desirable to me and as many of the other ones. You can see that they're moving right along though. Quite a bit done. Once they do open the eastern side up to 470 where they have access, it will have access to both 470 and the turnpike, but I'm not even sure, like currently in the state that it's in, if that's even a plus, because if you go further that way, you're talking Leesburg, Okahumpka area, not really as much as the other parts of the villages, I don't believe. Now, will it build up and in the future be a nice place? Yeah, of course. Just right now, to me, I don't see it being that fantastic, and I don't consider this like as close to everything as Citrus Grove, because Citrus Grove I feel like is part of St. Catherine. So St. Catherine with the rec center there, and you do have Homestead here also. Maybe the Franklin Rec Center will be bigger. They'll put like outdoor entertainment there and things like that. I just haven't seen any of the plans for that. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I'd be interested to see everybody's comments on how they feel this is going to play into the grander scheme of the villages. You can see here, this is Homestead. This is where they have the stargazing pads for people to lay out. I felt like I heard a bunch of dogs back here, so there's probably a dog park in here somewhere. And there is a lot of nature in here, so if that's a draw for you, then this might be for you. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I will end it here. You do have a lot of the view of St. Catherine and Citrus Grove, Citrus Grove, and a couple of the other areas in the background here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like and all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one.